body sleeps, but the soul is eternal. When the record says the dead shall rise, it is not describing a soul waking up from a deep slumber. It is describing the reunification of the conscious soul with a restored physical body. The body is the tent, but the soul is the inhabitant. When the hardware of the body enters a state of rest, the software of the soul remains active. This is why we dream. While the brain is at rest, the soul is aware, traveling and receiving information. The soul does not have a power button. It is a living frequency breathed directly from the Creator, and that frequency does not cease to vibrate just because the physical vessel has been laid down. In the 88-book record, we see the evidence of this immediate transition. Yahushua gave the ultimate forensic proof on the cross when he told the thief, "Today shalt thou be with me in paradise." He did not say in 2,000 years, and he did not say after a long sleep. He said today. While the physical bodies remained on the hill, the souls, the true identities, moved immediately into a different jurisdiction. The Book of Enoch in the Restored 22 confirms this by showing the hollow places where souls are gathered, fully conscious, praying, and making legal petitions while they wait for the final restoration of their bodies. To be absent from the body is to be present with the Lord. The sleep mentioned in the scriptures is a forensic term for the physical body returning to the dust, but the soul returns to the spirit that gave it. You are a living soul, currently residing in a temporary body. The body may pause, but the victory of the soul is wide awake and active right now. If this frequency resonates, subscribe and share to help others recover the record. Check the pinned comment now for 100% free resources and the link to our Scion Sanctuary Hub app. That's where you'll find the 88-book library, our forensic study circles, and the healing solfeggio rooms. While you're there, hit the community marketplace to support our members' natural products, or visit the Spiritual Tribunal Resource Center for our official books, metal signs, and empty tomb apparel. Every bit of support fuels our 501c3 mission, and stay tuned for our upcoming 50-50 profit split that will allow our members to share in the harvest. Step into the sanctuary and let's build the kingdom. I'll see you in the Enoch Circle. Shalom.